Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, I'm gonna do my Amazon Prime unboxing. Alright, let's leave what's in the box. We're gonna go with this one. I don't remember what I buy. Few days well you want to leave them for before you touch them, or you want to sanitize them. Alright, remember. Oh, so this one is, oh, okay. So guys, this one is my lemongrass powder. And lemongrass powder is good for fever or like cold and flu. But Jamaican people say fever grass, alright? I hope you can see it, guys. Alright. So I was on Amazon and I never tried this one before. This one says rice and peas seasoning. Can you believe this, guys? I never know, so they have rice and peas seasoning. We just season it as we go. But anyhow, I will try this in my rice and peas and I'll tell you how it tastes. So this is it. Cool Runnings rice and peas seasoning. And I paid, I think, like $5 or $5.99 on Amazon. Okay. We're moving on to the next pack. And guys, this is it. I bought it for my daughter. I know quite possible she won't drink it, but because this thing is going on and you know, cold and flu, it's good for cold and cough. So I bought this for her. Hi Sonny, you want to try it? Yes.
No.
Yes. See, it's for nasal and chest congestion, runny nose, dry cough, or wet cough. So let me just take it out of the pack. Oh, Sonny, it's nice. Oh, you will like it, Sonny. It doesn't have any color like that. It's just plain. Look at that, guys. I like this. I think she will try this one. It's called Stoodal. And this is it, guys. Okay. And we're on to this box.
From Amazon.
Yes.
Yeah, that's so cute. Outside.
And guys, these were cheap, like $3 or $3.99. And these are garlic, pepper, and herbs. And I like these. Natural seasoning. And they were cheap, so I just bought 2. And this is the last one. And guys, I bought this. I hope you can see it. This one is Health Lab Advanced Probiotic. All right. And guys, probiotic help to stabilize your body function, so to speak. This one is extra strength and it's a daily supplement. You have 60 capsules in it, and it says it supports a healthy immune system. Okay. And this probiotics good for your gut, like your belly part, your stomach, help to stabilize and help with digestion, and also good for constipation and bladder and all of that. Supports good gut bacteria. See what I was saying? This Tylenol, I got it from Shoppers Drug Mart. And this one is good to have now. You don't want to take ibuprofen or Advil. And I got this for $14.99. Value size from Shoppers Drug Mart. And I opened this. Well, I didn't open this one. My son opened this one. I have this aspirin. I got this from Amazon as well. I also got this multivitamins gummy bears for my daughter from Amazon, and this is it. And this one, guys, my son takes this one. Sometimes I might take 1 or 2 from this one, but my son takes this one, and my daughter sometimes go in it because she likes this one too. I got this one from also Shoppers Drug Mart, and this one is good. Lots of vitamin C's. All right, and this one is the multivitamins. Jojoba oil, and this one is good for your hair and your skin, and I'm going to mix it with other oils. And this is it, and it comes with this one. So that's it, and you want to remove it and you want to put this one in. So this is really cute. I think about $9.99, but I'll put the price, guys. I can't remember now. But this one also is rosemary oil. This one is good for hair growth. I'm gonna mix it with this one and my castor oil. So this is good, and I got it from Amazon as well. I got these from Shoppers. They're St. Ives, and guys, oh my god, I haven't tried them yet, but these are 2 bad boy flavors right here, guys. I don't know if this camera is upside down or sideways, but this is it. This one is rose water and aloe vera. Oh my god. It smells like heaven. Can't wait to try this one. Anything with rose water, it's so good. Soothing for your skin. And they were only, I think, $3.99. You can't live without this one. This one is citrus and cherry blossom. I love cherry blossom. I have the body wash, the perfume, anything in cherry blossom. I love it. Just imagine it mixed with the citrus flavor. Oh, so good. I can't wait. And it's sweet. It's like they have honey in it or something. So good. And then for my hair, guys, I bought these. You want to have these in your household. They're really cheap. These Garnier shampoo and conditioner. They were like $2.99 each from Shoppers. I use it in my daughter's hair and in my hair. I used to use other condition and shampoos, and guys, it dries my hair out and it tangles it. So you see, when I wash it with this, it makes it silky and shine, and this one soften it a lot. This is Crush by Rihanna, and I only pay $19.99 for it. I will Google it and see what's the regular price online for, but they had it on sale for $19.99. So I'm just gonna do the unboxing because I can't wait to try it. And guys, the box is really cute, like a pink and gold. Oh my gosh, wow, oh my, it's so pretty and fancy. Wow, wow, wow. This is something you want to put on your dresser, your side table, your chest of drawer. Oh, and my perfume tray. One big box for a little thing. Anyhow, my lemongrass oil, essential oil, it has a good scent. You can put few drops in other oils. It's good for your hair, for your skin. It's good. It's a good air freshener. Oh, there's another box in it. What's going on? A box in a box. This echinacea flower, it's another name for cone flower. All right, and this is it. I bought 3 bottles. It helps to relieve cold and flu symptoms. That's what it says on it. And it's all natural ingredients, all infection and all diseases and bacteria, mucus and stuff. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna take 1 a day. If possible, I might take 2. All right, guys, bye.